Today we'll be covering a common problem with Suburban water heaters. The problem we have here is a Suburban gas and electric that works on electric but will not ignite on gas. If we go outside the unit to the water heater itself and listen, you can hear that the igniter doesn't click like it normally would. You get a long pause and then you can hear the gas valve opening and then closing again. That's all you get. May seem like it could be a difficult problem, but the most common fix for this issue is a control board that sits inside your water heater compartment, normally either attached to the top or side of your water heater. This is the igniter wire, the spade connector, and it just pulls loose. That's your control board. Top pops off. And at first glance, doesn't look too bad, but if you look closely at the Q3 connection, you see a little brown there. They usually have this double stick foam tape on the back, but if you peel it off and you have some left right there above Q3, it's because it's burned to the board. This board is no good. Simple plug and play connection. Pull the old board, plug the new one in. You'll have hot water again. Got the new part. Let's put it in. Spade connector for the igniter coil, and then your flat pin connector here. Make sure that your contacts are turned down so that they make contact. That's all there is to it. I'll secure it in a minute. Let's go flip the switch. Simple fix, right?